Heavy winter pruning of your drift roses gives beautiful blooms in the spring, and the spring flush is here. I'll show you the 4 different types of roses that we have.
Daisy's going to do the rest of this, but before she does, I just want to point out that this video is actually a follow-up to the one that she did about pruning drift roses a little while ago. I will put a link to that video up here, so if you want to know more about drift roses and their care, go see that video. Let's go see Daisy.
This is our pink drift. It is one of the wider drift roses. It can grow as wide as 3 feet. And the flowers are more loose than the other drift roses, or more open. This is the sweet drift. It is full, it is bushy, and it almost always looks good. And here's our red drift. And yes, they are red, but they have hints of pinks in them too. And this is one of the, I think of all the 4 that we have, this is the variety that actually shows you that if you don't do a heavy pruning, it gets a little bit sparse. The flowers aren't as full as it is now when it first flushes out in the spring. And it will have multiple flushes throughout the season, but the spring flush after heavy pruning, I think, is the most lush. And this is the coral drift. It is probably my favorite drift roses. The colors on these are very intense, but it's not in your face. So it's just beautiful. So heavy winter pruning is beneficial to your drift roses. It gives it the best performance. It will flush a couple times in the year. And after each flush, you can trim your roses to about 1/3. I, however, don't do it because I find that just that one heavy pruning, the performance is good enough for me. If you want better performance and fuller, go ahead and do 1/3 after the flush. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. It is a very full and bushy, it is a full and bushy bush. No.